In this video, we shall discuss on the Pearson's correlation coefficient. We'll start by defining what the Pearson's correlation coefficient is. The Pearson's correlation coefficient or the Carl correlation coefficient is a statistical measure that quantifies the linear relationship between two variables. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel. This Pearson's correlation coefficient or the Carl correlation coefficient can be written as the Pearson's correlation coefficient of xy is equal to n summation. Since we have two variables here, x and y, we say summation x, y minus summation of x, summation of y, all over the square root of, now we have, say, n summation x squared minus summation x all squared multiplied by n summation y squared minus summation of y all squared. So the whole of this will multiply the whole of this, where n is the number of data, is the number of data points, summation of x is the sum of all x values, summation of y is the sum of all y values, and summation of x squared is the sum of the x squared values. Likewise, summation of y squared is the sum of the y squared values. So this is just the definition of the Pearson's correlation coefficient or the Carl correlation coefficient. And this is what you can use in computing any table that is given to you.